Have you ever woken up feeling groggy? A bad night's sleep can do more than just affect your mood. New research has unveiled a startling connection between poor sleep and the onset of dementia. When we sleep, our brain blood vessels play a crucial role in keeping our cognition sharp. They deliver oxygen and nutrients while filtering what enters or leaves. Special support cells called pericytes surround these vessels, acting as gatekeepers. Previous animal studies indicated that poor sleep harms these pericytes. However, definitive human evidence was lacking until now. This groundbreaking research involved over 1,000 older adults from two major aging studies. Participants wore devices to track their sleep quality in enduring memory and thinking tests for up to 10 years. Here's what researchers discovered. More fragmented sleep was associated with increased levels of M pericytes in the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, essential for decision-making and thinking abilities. This increase linked directly to quicker cognitive decline in the decade before death. Additionally, poor sleep impacted the lateral orbitofrontal cortex. This area is crucial for judgment and social behavior, showing heightened M pericyte activity. These findings suggest frequent nighttime awakenings may lead to harmful changes, accelerating memory decline. So, how can you protect your brain? Focus on improving the quality of your sleep. Stay active during the day, and ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime. However, if you are already experiencing cognitive decline, simply sleeping won't be enough. There's one specific, free ingredient that can help reverse Alzheimer's and all types of dementia. Thousands of viewers have sworn by this simple technique. Curious? Check out the description below to learn more.